Everybody always says that your 20s are supposed to be the best years of your life, and if that's true, I'm in trouble because my 20s weren't the best years of my life. And at 29, I can say that. Me, they were really hard. I spent a lot of them anxious, feeling behind, feeling like I'm not doing enough, feeling like everyone's further than me, and kind of waiting for a perfect moment to finally start, to begin, to finally feel good enough to just chase my dream. So if you're in your late 20s, early 30s, or maybe even early 20s, then this video is for you. 20s look different for everyone. They're supposed to be about messing it up, trying things out, because usually most people don't have too much responsibility in their 20s. And even if you're mom, like I am, that doesn't mean it's too late. Like 29 is still so young. I feel like all the anxiety, the mistakes, the confusion, the losses, I had some really big losses in my 20s. I feel like they prepared me and they laid the foundation of who I am now finally becoming and who I'm finally letting myself become. At 29, I don't have it all figured out. Like, I'm 29. I don't own a car, I don't own a house, I'm a mother. I graduated and the job market, let's not talk about that. So I'm currently a stay-at-home mom. Did I imagine this at 20? No. But for the first time in my life, I feel like I'm actually creating my life. At 28, I had a big breakthrough. Like, oh my God, I spent so many years living in the male gaze, trying to be approved by that. And I feel like that's what a lot of girls are taught. Look for your Prince Charming, a relationship will fix you, this will fix you, that will fix you, whatever will fix you. Nothing will fix you, only you will fix you. And you have to deal with your trauma. And I feel like that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking ownership of my life. I'm realizing that my 20s were not the best years of my life. And if you're feeling behind right now, if you're approaching 30 wondering if you missed your chance, if you're looking and thinking everyone else is ahead of you, maybe this is a reminder that life isn't over and life is messy. Maybe you're not behind. Maybe you're just getting started. Do whatever you want to do. Chase your dreams, but believe in yourself, please. And focus on yourself, but never give up on yourself. And that goes for everyone who's in their late 20s as well. And if you're like me, and you're trying to start over, you're building confidence, you're proving to yourself that it's not too late, and 29 is still freaking young, then I'd love for you to follow along. Because it's our turn. It's our turn to choose ourselves. It's our turn to set boundaries. And it's our turn to believe in ourselves. And even if society tells you that your 20s are supposed to be the best years of your life, I'm living proof that that's not the case for everyone. But this is just me getting started.